Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix and what to do if you have forgotten your lock screen password. So actually there's a way to fix this, but of course you have to remember that you'll have all this with your data loss. So there is a fix, but with data loss. If you don't want the data loss, you have the only one way. If you go to the authorized service with the proof of purchase, or have a fingerprint sensor over here and use it. But as you can see, after the restart we can't use it, so there is no such way. So this is the first thing. If you don't care about the data and you didn't to backup, you will lose your data. But if you want to use your phone actually and don't lose it, you need to hold the power and volume up so that you will see, wait a moment, here this menu. Tap power off and now your device will power off completely. Then after this time you should wait 10 minutes, pardon me, 10 seconds. 10 seconds till you are sure that your phone is turned off. Then you need to hold the power and volume up till you see a vibration, and now you need to hold only the volume up. Now you'll see this menu. It's very small, but if you look closely, the first option is recovery mode. With the volume up you need to select the recovery mode over here, which is the first option, and with the volume up, volume down, you need to confirm the choice of the recovery mode. Now your phone will lag, and here you should see no command. Now this is this is not the Android error, don't worry. This is only the security some stuff, and to do so, to fix this, you need to hold the power and click the volume up. Now you're in the Android recovery mode. Here you need to go with the volume down button to the wipe data / factory reset. Click this power button, go down and click the power on the factory data reset. I won't click this because I want my data on my device, so I will exit the recovery mode now. But you have to remember that you have to remember the password to your Google account that was logged in your phone before the reset process. That's how it unfortunately works, because there is as we might know or don't know, Google FRP, and this is when the robber steals your device. They can't use your device at all because there is Google FRP, and even if they reset it, there's no way to use it and the phone is erased. Of course there are some ways to bypass it but I don't really think that this is that useful. If you don't know your password till now, you can just reset it, or just if you do have the access to this account, you need to use it. And actually that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.